The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, how are you all doing today? Are you all doing well? That's great. Would you like to read a new story with me? Wonderful. Before we start reading the story, let's look at the pictures and try to guess what the story might be about. Shall we start? All right. Look at this picture. What do you see here, children? We see a cat. Where is the cat sitting? Is it sitting on a person's lap? Yes. Before we move to the next picture, shall we read the title together? All right. Read with me. Kitty's wonderful day. Kitty's wonderful day. Children, what do you think is Kitty in this picture? Let's find out later when we read the story. Children, can you tell me what day would you say is a wonderful day? What do you do on a wonderful day? When the weather is warm and the sun is shining bright and yellow. I like to sit outside on the grass and read a book. To me, that is a wonderful day. In this story, we are going to read about Kitty's wonderful day. Before we start reading, let's look at the rest of the pictures. What do you see here? We see a cat. What is a cat doing, children? The cat is lying on the grass. What else do you see? We see a little boy and a little girl. What else do you see? Yes, we see a little dog. Do you see anything else in this picture? We can see a tree and a swing in the back, right? What is a cat doing now? Is it still lying on a grass? Is it sitting? Maybe. And what is that in front of the cat? And what are those things? Maybe they are ants. And what do we see in the back? We see a little girl and a man. Before we look at the next picture, children, what kind of day do you think this is? Is it a rainy day? Or is it a sunny day? It's a sunny day. Shall we move to the next picture? What do you think the cat is doing here? And what is it lying on? Is it a floor? Maybe. It's a rug or a carpet. Wait, children, look behind the cat. What do you see there? Is it a window? And what do we see through that window? We see some clouds. And what color are the clouds? Are they white? Are they dark green? There are some dark clouds. And what else you can see? Can you look carefully? We can see rain. It's raining. So, what kind of day this is, children? Do you think, is it a sunny day? Or is it a windy day? Is it a rainy day? This is a rainy day. What are the children doing here? Are they jumping? What are they jumping on? Children, what is that under them? It's a puddle. It's a puddle of water. Children, have you also seen puddles of water? Yeah, great. What do we see here? We see a cat and some children. What are they all looking at the sky? What can we see in the sky, children? They can see a rainbow. Have you ever seen a rainbow before? When can you see a rainbow? Before it rains or after it rains? Yes, we can see rainbow after it rains. What is the cat doing here? And what do you see in the window? What color is this sky? It's dark blue. So, what time of the day it is? Yes, it's night. And what else you can see through the window? We can see a moon. Look at this picture. We can see some stars. They look wonderful, don't they? What else you can see in this picture? Anything else you can see here? We see a dog. Do you see the trees also? Children, did you enjoy looking at all the pictures of the story? Me too. Now, children, we will read the story. All right? I will read the story aloud and you will follow the words on the screen. Shall we start? Great.
Kitty rolls on the grass and plays with her ball. The sun is yellow. The day is warm. The ants are busy. The clouds are fluffy. What a beautiful day to play outside. Kitty stretches on the mat. It rains outside. The clothes are wet. The shoes are muddy. But the flowers look happy. And the air is cool. What a lovely day! There is a rainbow too. Kitty curls up on her bed and looks at the sky. The sun has gone away for the night. The sky is dark and the moon is white. The stars are shining pretty and bright.
That's all for today. I will meet you in the next virtual class. Till then, bye.